Strongest Minds. So I am talking this week about stress and overwhelm, and today I want to talk to you about a remedy that I use for grief and when you are stressed out and have a lot of decisions. And this remedy is from Australian Bush Flower Essences, and it's called Red Suva Frangipani. It is 3 words. You have red, the second word is Suva, S-U-V-A, and the third word is Frangipani, F-R-A-N-G-I-P-A-N-I. So this is a remedy for grief because of loss or grief because of a rocky relationship. I may use this for divorce. This is a very nurturing flower. And I add this also to emergency essence when somebody has just passed, because there's so many things that you're going through and you really need to be focused. And it helps you to cope, especially when you cannot stop crying. And sometimes there is so much stress related with this when there's kids involved and other things involved and decisions you have to make, that along with this remedy, I'd like you to take a stress remedy. And you could look at elm, which we spoke about. This helps with initial grief, sadness, and when a relationship is at rock bottom, or when there's death of a loved one. This is when we talk about emotional upheaval, like you're going through a divorce or a very rocky breakup. And also any kind of turmoil and rawness. It's going on right now, and this is why you need this remedy. It just helps you to cope. It brings the feeling of calm. It helps you to feel nurtured, and it brings you inner peace. This remedy is going to help you just get through it. Does it get rid of grief for you? No, but it helps you to make decisions. It helps you to cope through it. These remedies are fine for your children as well. If you're going to put it, make yourself a remedy, you could make it for your children as well. You could use 7 drops twice a day, and it's going to help you. It's also going to help you to sleep. Please, if you have any questions, ask me below. If you have any comments, ask me below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because there are so many other videos that I have that are going to help you and your family and your clients. Take care, my friends. Amy D. Cohen, Strongest Minds.